Your team is writing unit tests for a cloud function located in a Cloud Source Repositories repository. You need to configure the testing workflow. Only a designated service account possesses the required permissions to deploy the function. You must ensure that the code is never deployed unless it first passes all unit tests. How should you configure the CI/CD pipeline? Configure Cloud Build to deploy the function and trigger a manual deployment approval to you after tests pass. Option B. Configure Cloud Build to deploy the cloud function using the designated service account and execute unit tests post-deployment. Configure Cloud Build to run unit tests and require the developer to manually deploy the function once tests pass. Option D. Configure Cloud Build to run unit tests using the designated service account as the build agent and automatically deploy the cloud function if tests pass. This scenario focuses on designing effective automation pipelines. We are looking at how to integrate testing and deployment stages while adhering to security constraints and ensuring that only verified test-passing code reaches the deployment phase. In my view, the correct answer is option D. This choice effectively creates a robust continuous integration and delivery pipeline. It uses Cloud Build to run unit tests as a prerequisite for any deployment action. By configuring the build agent to operate under the designated service account, we ensure that the deployment process only proceeds automatically if the unit tests have successfully passed. Let's look at why the other options are not ideal. Option A relies on manual approval, which slows down the process. Option B is incorrect because it performs tests after deployment, failing the requirement to prevent faulty code from reaching production. Option C is impractical because it asks developers to manually deploy, yet only a specific service account has the necessary permissions to perform the deployment task. Always prioritize automated testing gates in your pipeline designs.